Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create a drop-down list in Google Sheets. In order to do this, you first need to launch your Google Sheets and then you just have to select your project. After selecting it, you just have to select that particular range in which you want to add this drop arrow or this drop down button. After that, you just have to hover over to the top and you need to click on data. In the data, you need to select the option of data validation. Once done, you will be able to see the data validation rule in the right hand side. Here you just have to select the all rule option and now you will notice that the drop down button is over here. Now here you just have to select the drop down section and here you just have to provide the criterias. Here you will also be able to select the colors for each and every selection that you have. So you just have to select the colors and then you just have to press this done button. Now you just have to click on this drop down button and you will be able to easily select the options that are given or selected over here. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.